The New York premiere of Invisible Beauty as a spotlight documentary highlighting a fashion revolutionary and pioneer is a milestone at this year's Tribeca Film Festival. Held at SVA Theater in the strikingly energetic Chelsea neighborhood in Manhattan, flourishing fashion pieces and vibrant smiles light up the red carpet. From a star-studded cast to a dedicated team, those within her presence have a love for her that transcends across decades. Born 1942 in New York, Bethann's destiny as an industry-breaking Black model, agent, and activist is a lived existence impacted by the world around her.
I've been in the industry for 30 years. I've seen the evolution of hip-hop and pop culture emerge into fashion and in this space, and how the front row at the runways have changed and how the faces of fashion have changed. It's because of pioneers like, Bethann, Hardison. She's made space with grace, for so many of us.
Me seeing Bethann's son on Arsenio Hall and saying, if she can raise a young man like that, I think she can deal with someone like me. Being from Brooklyn, being a tough woman, me being from the Bronx and Jamaica, it just was important for me to go to her office and to be seen. Whether she was going to take me or not, I still was going to go. You know what I mean? It's like, it's your destiny.
A documentary of immense awareness, Bethann encompasses a visual portrait of her story on screen for viewers in a raw and honest way.
Because a lot of people and they've known about the possibility of a film, most of these people, for maybe 10, 12, 15 years. So to see this one come up, they don't know that this is a completely different film than what I was working on before. It's just the same title. So yeah, it's going to be nice. It's going to be a nice surprise to them to see what is on the screen.
My responsibility, I always feel as a cinematographer, is to make sure that people know that anybody can be behind the camera just as much as they can be in front of the camera. And I love working on work like this because I can see myself in it. I see myself in Bethann. I see myself in all of the people she's championed.
The realization and recognition of mentors around us is also a foundational core for each and every generation.
The minute I met her, I was like, it would be the greatest honor to have this woman as a mentor of mine, because she's such a visionary. She sees things so clearly, but also her heart is full.
And you must follow your destiny at all times. Like from when you saw me at 12, I saw other young actors at 5, 7 years old, and I thought to myself, I want to be like that. Yeah. And it's someone that you see that you say, I want to be like that. And I think we need that, especially in black society.
Revolutionaries like Bethann and what her unyielding spirit continues to accomplish is a celebration of history.
For me, it really does feel like a very special film in my career. I do feel like I've worked my way up to making this film, and it just incorporates so many elements, and they all come together in this one special human being.
This is a New York story with a New York team, and Tribeca is so much a part of all of our stories as filmmakers. So on behalf of the Invisible Beauty team, thank you, Tribeca, for our New York premiere.
Reporting for BronxNet, Kody, Onyiuke.